Hi friends, in this YouTube video, I am going to explain regarding the Django framework, architecture of the Django framework. It will follow MTV architecture. What is M, what is T and what is V? M stands for model and it's the data access layer. T stands for template and it's the presentation layer. V stands for view and it's the business logic layer. First of all, whenever we'll run the server, using python manage.py run server command, the HTTP request should be redirected to some URL. So the information regarding the URLs will be written in urls.py. Now, what is models.py? Um, this layer contains anything and everything about the data, like how to access it, how to validate it, which behaviors it has, and the relationship between the data will be written in models.py, like the database connectivity. Whenever we are entering some values, it should be stored in some database, right? Everything will be written in models.py. Now coming to template. Now what is template? It's the presentation layer. This layer contains the presentation related decisions, like how something should be displayed on a web page or other type of document. All the HTML pages, it's nothing but the user interface. The user interface will be written using HTML or CSS or CSS. It will be stored in the templates folder. That is nothing but the user interface. Now what is view? For example, if there is a web page where we are entering two values, the web page will be like the will be in user interface will be written in HTML. Now if we enter two values, those should be stored in the database. That logic will be written in model. Now what to do with the two values, addition, subtraction, or what? That business logic will be written in views.py. Now, now we can consider views.py as an interface between the model and the template. Finally, the output will be displayed as in the HTML page as a response. So from beginning to ending, from the HTTP request to HTTP response, all these are the things which are undergoing. Like this is the architecture. Uh, this is the architecture what Django follows. First of all, getting redirected to the URL. That URL related information will be written in urls.py, and the database connectivity kind of stuff, validating data, everything will be in models.py. And in template, you will have the user interface. And what to do with the data, you'll write in views.py. And finally, the response will be given in a HTML page. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more information regarding Django framework.